Hey, this is Naturally TC with this comb twist video. My client is starting her locks and I use two methods. I have some clients that I will two-strand twist and they'll just leave them in and lock from there. And then I have my clients that start with finger coils, or not finger coils, comb twists, finger coils. Kind of the same thing, but the comb twists are more detailed, because you're combing all the knots through the hair and it's not just twirled around your finger, but it is very detailed in the twisting, and you're actually coiling all those little bitty hairs. So I am parting. I just usually do square parting. I don't do any triangles or anything like that. Like I've said in other videos, I do know a loctician in the area, so if anybody wants anything special, like triangular partings, diamond partings, locks with the crochet needle where you got to tighten them up, all those kind of loctician stuff, yeah, referred out, okay? Referred out. But everything else, anything I can handle, I'm going to handle. If I know I can do it right, I got you. So I'm parting the hair. I think I messed up on this part, but I go back and fix it. But and this is my special sauce that I use. It's mostly made of aloe vera. You guys know I like to use aloe vera, but I'm working on this concoction because it is it works really well. It holds my locks the best, but I need it to give a lot more shine. So I am working on this formula, but it does get my locks started. I can say that. Like when they come back for that month visit for their retwist, like their locks have already started locking with this formula. But I just need it to have a little more sheen, a little more shine. So I'm working on that. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you this up close view of what it looks like when I do my comb twist. And you can see I completely detangle the hair, and then I simply grab the hair and twirl the comb around and around, gradually bringing the comb down as I'm twirling until I get to the end of the strand of the hair, and then we clip it with the little clips. So go ahead and watch the rest of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Show a friend. Try it with a friend. Let me know how you liked it. And I will holla at y'all. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. Naturally TC. Out.